Whether you're a first-time buyer or a senior who's downsizing to a condo, there are many things people don't think of when buying a condo. And one of the many crucial details that you might overlook is your locker and storage space. When clients look at condos, they usually focus on the layout or the design and the decor and the amenities or the maintenance fees, but they often forget to consider storage space and where the lockers are or how big the lockers are. Here's what you need to know about lockers and storage space if you're buying a condo. Number one, location. Where is the locker located? Is it easy to access or is it stuck in a hard-to-reach corner? Two, the temperature. Is the locker inside a temperature-controlled area or will it be exposed to extreme temperatures at certain times of the year? Three, size. How much will fit in your locker? Will it accommodate all of your storage needs? These details make a big difference in your condo living experience. Don't make the mistake of overlooking storage when choosing your new condo. Buying a condo is a big decision, and small details like this can make a huge difference. You want more condo buying tips? Send me an email, mike@schusterrealestate.com, and let's set up a time to chat. I'll answer all of your questions and share even more tips with you about buying a condo so that you can make your purchase a huge success. Thanks for watching.